look at this house right here in Palm City in the brand new master plan community called Newfield. This is the Montauk Model by Mattamy Homes. So if you're like me and you like a nice farmer's market on a Saturday or a good walking trail, Newfield is for you. Now, from the minute you walk in this house, you can feel the space, the high ceilings. You got your little drawing room area. So this is where people would come in when they first come to your house. Let me tell you something. When you see so many people showing these homes, that's a pretty good sign that these are some hot homes. Now the living room, as you can see, flows right into the kitchen. And what a beautiful kitchen this is. All the space is perfect for if you have like a big gathering, family, friends come over. Especially, look at this pantry. Now this is my best part. I love this laundry room because it's so big and spacious. Yes, I like to do laundry. I know everybody don't like to do it, but I like to do laundry, okay? I also live for a big, spacious, open area where you can see everybody when you're cooking, or if you're eating the dinner, or if you're watching TV. Okay, like I said, just say hi to the agents if you see them. Into the bedroom we go, and like I said, with this house is nothing but light and natural light. I love it. All this beautiful natural light. Let's go into the bathroom and see what it said. Now this bathroom is gorgeous. You don't got to clean no door when it's come to this shower. I love that it's open. Of course, you got a him and her side. No fighting over the sink. This is the best part, like I said. His and her side of the closet. You ain't even got to be in the same closet, okay? Not his and her side, because you got to be politically correct. Two sides of the closet. Okay, let's continue to the rest of the house. You got a good clear view of what everything looks like from outside here. We're gonna go outside. Let's go see what the backyard got to say. Let's follow Katie. Hi, Katie. So now, I like that this is covered. The porch is covered, so you don't have to be in the sun. I don't really like the sun. But you also have out here for the people that like to be in the sun. Yeah, this is a really nice backyard. This is a very big house. So this is perfect for if you have a big family or if you're looking for an investment property. Now let's go upstairs. This, I guess, is what they call a flex space, loft, whatever you want to call it. There's a nice little area up here that as we go down the hall, we have the other bedrooms up here. We're gonna be able to come. Hi, Jody. We're gonna be able to see this one right here. This is the first bedroom that we're gonna come to, that's upstairs. Now you can use the bedrooms any way you like. As you can see with this room, they made it into a gym. So, you can turn it into a nursery, an office space, a guest room, whatever. But let me tell you a little bit about Newfield, because it's just not only about home. You'll have walking trails, green space, and over 70% of the land is being preserved. This place was developed so that you don't have to leave at all. You're also close to I-95 and the Turnpike, and some really good schools like Palm City Elementary and Hidden Oaks. And depending on the builder's promotion, you might be able to get closing cost help and upgrades, but you have to be registered with an agent. Because if you go into the builder without an agent, you might miss out on those perks, and I really don't want that for you. If you want to see anything in Newfield or anywhere else, let's get a tour set up for you. And yes, we can do a virtual walkthrough if you're not local yet.